Hello guys, now I will going to show how to transfer or share. Now I will going to show how to transfer or share files from Android to iPhone. First of all, must be need install shares or apps in your mobile. Then open this one, then click send, and then select your file which file you want to send or share. Then click next, then open GPS. Then open Bluetooth, then click allow, then open Wi-Fi, WLAN, then next. Then connect to ISO, then click allow. Now searching your, then go to your iPhone and go to share Wi-Fi, then connect this network. Here I show on this password import. Then click join. After complete, then your iPhone, go to share it. Then click receive. Your file is receiving. If you want to share your file iPhone to Android, same way, click send in iPhone, then select, then OK. Then searching your network name, then now have an unknown, then click, then here is click receive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment, press the bell icon.